Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got a really cool knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the Poikilo Anolis, and pretty cool knife here, as you can see. I'm not going to do a review of it, but just look at this action. Okay, so keep that in mind as we get into this knife, because I've been told something about it. Alright, so it looks like the easiest way to do this is going to be pop off this side, this clip here. Well, maybe easier said than done. Let me make sure here. Feels like a T8. Let's go ahead and do the... Okay, that came loose. Don't want it to slip and damage the screw. Alright, so... Okay, there it went. So what I usually do is put a good bit of pressure on it to keep it from slipping, and that should bring this off, and pop that off. Okay, and then we can pop the pivot off. Nice size pivot screw there, and that should have released everything. But there we go. Popped it off there. Ah, that's interesting. Okay, but here's the interesting part. I was wondering about that. I had been told that it was on washers, but it's not. It's got some really nice bearings there. Pop that off. Alright, dropped all that in alcohol. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. I don't know if that purple is coming across there from those, the back side of that. I assume it's, well, I see some colors in there, but I don't know if it's coming across on the camera or not. Maybe a little bit right there. But these are the screws holding these pieces on here. And this is DLC coated backspacer. DLC coated M398 on the blade steel. And there's some of that green. I see some greens and purples in there. Anyhow, all right, let's go ahead and get out the alcohol pad and start wiping everything down. Start with the blade here. Beautiful DLC coated. I'll come back and get the milling areas for those bearings. Sorry about that. Had a brain freeze there. Just wiping everything down. We have the clip off, so go ahead and wipe that down. Look at the, whoops. Look how that's pretty. Nice looking pocket clip. And we'll wipe this part down. Alright, I'm going to grab a cotton tip applicator. Clean those areas out. Clean where the pivot goes. Same for the other side. And then we'll also get the blade here. Clean that area. Get where the pivot goes. where the bearings go. Get that lock face. Clean out anything we can here. Okay. Now while I am letting those areas dry, I'm going to grab the washers and bearings. Those are some high quality bearings in my opinion. And you could see from the action it is smooth. And clean that off. Make sure that's tight. It was not. It was moving a little bit. In fact, we're going to set that to the side a second. I'm going to want to put some Loctite on that side. Okay, while that's drying, see how easy that was to I'm going to take and dry that been in the alcohol, so I'm drying that off. Now I'm going to dip it into a little bit of Loctite and close it up because I don't want that part coming loose either. Alright, so let's go ahead and place that in there. We're going to drop one of these bearings in there. Put a little dot on each side. Nope. Got to put a washer in there first. And I'm going to pick the side that had the wear marks on it already. Alright, we're going to grab that knife blade, put that in there. We're going to grab the other bearing, pop that on, a little bit on each side. We're going to look at the bearing. That's got wear marks, so that's going to go against the bearing. We're going to put a little dot of come on. Gunny glide there on that detemp ball. And then we're going to carefully put that together. Alright, we can grab our pivot screw. Whoops. Get a little bit of Loctite stick on there. And go ahead and not too tight. And then we're going to put this body screw right here. Just get it started. I'm not going to tighten it because we also need to put this in place. And get that in its pocket right there. And then we need to get that one started. Sometimes if you tighten one of the screws, the other one has a more difficult time getting started. So I like to get them both started. Tighten that. Also tighten this side. And I'm going to check both the ones on the show side. Okay. And look at the centering. Looking pretty good. Got the fingerprint magnet here. Let's go ahead and clean that blade off again. Beautiful DLC coated. But man, you cannot touch it. Which I'm going to have to touch it again. No blade play. Back off just a little bit and see what we get. Center still looks good. No blade play. Look at that. Look at how smooth that is. Just a hydraulic close. That's awesome. All right, so there you have it. That's some Poikilo Anolis, and hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope to see y'all again soon, and I really appreciate you watching. Thank you.